Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to paint a zigzag stripe wall. I'm drawing some lines now, but you won't be able to see them because I'm using a pencil. So I'll just walk you through what I'm doing, and during the process you'll see the pattern coming together. So earlier guys, I painted the wall with the base color. So now I'm just drawing some 30 by 30 grid boxes. These boxes will assist me to create the zigzag patterns that I want to achieve. Now I'm drawing diagonal lines in the boxes to create the zigzag patterns. I'm using this 1x6 piece of board as my guide for the width of my stripes. Now I'm using my painter's tape to tape off the lines drawn, and this is where you'll see the pattern coming together. I had to stop using the blue painter's tape because it was not adhering to the wall properly. In the meantime, I just started the painting, and later on I used a masking tape to complete the process. After the wall has been dried, I removed the painter's tape. Now I'm using a gold mirror reflective tape to add detail to the stripe lines. So this is the final look, guys. This is how the project turned out. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking. And bye guys, I'll see you in my next DIY video.